After impacting the Caribbean, Hurricane Gomez continues moving in a northwesterly direction toward the continental U.S., where it is expected to make landfall along the Florida-Georgia border. At 48 hours prior to landfall, the National Hurricane Center upgrades Hurricane Gomez to a Category 4 hurricane. It will likely impact Jacksonville and Caribbean District personnel stationed there. At 24 hours before landfall on September 5th, the National Hurricane Center issues new warnings for the entire southeastern U.S. coastline. On September 6th, Hurricane Gomez makes landfall north of Jacksonville, Florida, as a strong Category 3 hurricane with sustained winds at 125 miles per hour. Hurricane Gomez continues moving northward and downgrades to a Category 2 hurricane as it passes through Georgia and South Carolina. 48 hours after landfall in Florida, Hurricane Gomez moves through North Carolina as a Category 1 hurricane before dissipating over the Atlantic Ocean. On September 14th and 15th, environmental conditions support the development of a tropical depression that the National Hurricane Center later classified as Tropical Storm Morticia and travels over 2,000 miles west at 18 miles per hour towards the Caribbean. Maximum sustained winds are at 40 miles per hour and is forecast to become a stronger hurricane when it enters the Caribbean Sea in the next 24 hours. As forecasts, due to warm water temperatures in the Caribbean Sea, Morticia intensified overnight rapidly into a high Category 1 storm as it continues west-northwestward towards the Caribbean, with winds of 85 miles per hour. The National Hurricane Center states that conditions are favorable for further intensification. The storm's cone of uncertainty engulfs the Lesser Antilles. Officials and residents on Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands brace for the worst, while still responding to Hurricane Gomez. Preemptively, FEMA Region 2 deploys additional heavy packages to Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands.